people, to another. What a beautiful day it is today as well. About time we have some decent weather. The sun's out, always puts you in a better mood. So first of all, today's going to be a little bit of loads of different things. It's not going to be just one thing. It's going to be a mixture of different jobs, and hopefully I'll have a look at a van that's running like a bag of crap. We've got an Actros here that had a brake lining fault. We've put pads in it, but we need to reset it, so we're going to go through a gel test now to reset that. Also, the giveaway I am starting at the end of this video, so I'll show you what we're giving away at the end of the video. There'll be some things you'll need to do, so if you watch through the video and you'll find out at the end, and maybe halfway through, you have to see what I'll be giving away and how you can be in a chance to win the giveaway that I'm doing. It's about nearly £100 worth of thing. You look at it and probably think, oh no, it's not, but it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get cracking and find out about resetting these front pads on this Mercedes Actros. So first thing we're going to go into is maintenance. So pick the vehicle that you want. Finally connecting there. So we'll just let that load. Take that ages. Right, so we're going to go into service. We're going to go into service per group, front axle pads, and then literally all it is just reset because it's had new pads on it. I'm just going to quickly put my code in. So that's that done. We put our little code in. You have to put expert codes in for literally anything on these most of the days. So when carrying out a service, full actions are required, blah 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 blah. The number of internal increases by 1, calculation for next service are limited. So we're going to tick that. Oh, okay. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's try that. For some reason the gel test won't do it. So maintenance. Right, let me just unplug it. Awkward thing. Oh god. Okay, so come out of that. Maintenance immediately, blah 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 blah. So for some reason it will not do it, which is a strange one. So what I'm going to have to do is I might have to just drive it, and then it might take the light off, might recognise it. So I'm going to do that and see if it comes back on. But these things happen, you know. We haven't really had a fault like that come on and then when you put pads in it have the fault come back up again. So I'll have a look into this a little bit more. I'm going to get the van in a bit, and we've got another engine malfunction to look at. So yeah, busy. By the looks of it, that's all it needed. Literally just to move, just to see it, and then it took the code off. So that's good. I'm going to do a loaded brake test on it, and then we're going to have a look at this other engine malfunction. So live and learn every day. Some things you can do, some things you can't do. So don't always need a computer, but there you go. So I'm here with it. This is another DAF. This is basically a DAF channel at this rate. What DAFs will do. But I'm going to do a main system scan, not going to bother an all system scan, and we're going to see what this engine malfunction light is. So let's get it scanned, and then I'll come back to you with our results. So we've got a similar fault to what we had yesterday on another one. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear the faults. I'm going to give it a road test, make sure nothing comes in again, but probably going to be looking at maybe a crank vent or a filter again. We'll probably try the filter, cheaper option there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a clear down, and we're going to get a road test and see if it comes back on again. So back from road test, rescanned it again, nothing came up again. So this is going to be a keep an eye on it job. It runs through our network of trucks, if you want to call it anyway. So if it comes on again, we'll know. But you get stuff like this, so obviously I'll give it a good sort of half hour, 45-minute road test, and nothing's come back on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it, and then we'll come back to that. And now I'm going to have a look at this van, which is running like a bag of shit. So this is just a random loads of different things happening today, what we're going to be doing. So yeah, Let's have a look at the van and see what that is. Right, let's see how this runs, shall we? So in gear, you dickhead. That's foot flat to the floor. Okay, let's get out to the workshop and just plug it in and have a look. That is literally flat out. Bunny hopping. I'm on private land, by the way. Yeah, definitely something major wrong with this. So, yeah, I mean, there's a lot of faults on here. A hell of a lot. Yeah. I'm gonna... The active fault there is exhaust gas recirculation position sensor bank one stuck, closed, locked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the bonnet up. We're going to have a look. I'm going to pull the engine cover off and have a look and see if we can see anything obvious for a start and go from there. Yeah, okay. So that would be what I call effed. Totally. See, all this loom is full of, well, it's all carbon stuff. I'll probably say it's got a leaking injector by the looks of that. Injector seal's leaking, which one of them? But yeah, that's not a 5-minute job. That's probably why it runs like a bag of turd. So yeah, I'd be looking at probably replacing that loom, the injector seals. That's definitely going to be a mission of a job. Whether we'll do it or not, I don't know, but yeah. See, all that loom's covered in stuff. Yeah, okay. But there's not a lot I can really do with this. It's just general day-to-day stuff that we've got in this video. So I'm going to mention about the giveaway now. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I hope you enjoyed that video. Obviously, loads of different things happened that day and the day. But yeah, on to the main bit. So I said all along I was going to do a giveaway, and I've teamed up with my local snap-on dealer. His name's Lee Moon. So I've teamed up with him and doing a giveaway. I'm going to put a print of his page at the end of this video, so you can, if you run a Northamptonshire area and you're looking for some snap-on stuff, you can drop him a message or you can do whatever. So first I'm going to show you what I'm actually giving away. So it's nothing massive. It's a start of hopefully something I'm going to be doing a lot more of. So I've got this snap-on bag. It's quite a big bag, to be fair. I've got one. I bought one for myself as well, so I put all my training stuff and everything in it. So it's quite a big bag. We've got a little pocket at the front here. We've got a pocket here, and we have sort of two sections. So you have this first section, then you have this bottom section. Now it also has a handle here, so you can wheel it around. Like I say, I put all my training stuff in it. It's really handy. So it's not a massive prize first, but you know, I want to start somewhere. Eventually I want to get to a point where I start doing tools and stuff, so that's where we'll be at with it. But yeah, so wherever you are in the world, it doesn't matter, because you've took the time to subscribe, watch my videos, commented. I've had people from Ireland, Australia, South Africa, loads of people. So I'm going to be giving it away. Wherever you are, I will send it to you. There are going to be some rules to this giveaway. So firstly, you have to be subscribed. I'm not just going to give it away to any Tom, Dick or Harry. You have to be subscribed. You have to like the video. You have to comment on it and say done as well. So in the comments you say, just put done. Make sure you like the video and you obviously subscribe. So all I do with the competition is I will use a comment generator where it will pick a comment and the name at random, and then that person will win, and then I'll get in contact with that person and I'll sort out sending it. So The competition starts at, when this video starts, on the 18th of March. Start from when this video begins and will end on the 26th of March at 7 p.m. Sorry, not 7 p.m, 6 p.m. 26th of March at 6 p.m. So at 6 p.m, I'll be going live. Just after 6, I will be going live on YouTube to do the giveaway. So all you've got to do, remember, is to be subscribed. You have to like the video and you have to comment done. Once you've done them 3 things, you are then entered for the giveaway for this bag, and I will get it sent to you. I've got it all back. I'll get it all bagged up properly, and I'll send it to wherever you are. It doesn't matter. So, eventually, I'm going to be doing like tools and more stuff like that. So I'm going to be investing a bit and giving everything away to people, because people take the time to comment on videos, and I try and reply to literally everyone, and it means so much when people take their time to comment, watch the videos and give good advice. You know, I've learnt plenty. I'm sure other people around have learnt plenty as well, and that is what it's all about. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, go check out Lee Moon, his Snap-on page, one at the end. Remember, be subscribed, like the video and comment done for your chance to win this bag. So I hope you're all keeping well, and I hope I can see you all in the next video.